Are y'all ready to start trading today? Alright, let's get into this video. Today, we're going to be talking about my Webull account. At the beginning, on Monday, man, my stocks was so down, man, I didn't even want to make a video. But, you know, it is what it is. There's absolutely no shame in my game, you know what I mean? Sometimes you're going to win, sometimes you're going to lose. But honestly, you know, this is a new way that you can stretch a dollar, you know? Sometimes it's not always as it seems, you know what I mean? Don't get caught into the gurus of how they making so much money and all that, you know? Just go at your own pace and add to your profile as you go. Don't put so much money into it where you're going to be checking it every 5 minutes, you know what I'm saying? And God forbid if you at work and you put a lot of money in, you get off work and forgot to pull it out and you're like, ah! You know what I mean? Make sure you got a day off if you're going to put money in it. All right, we about to jump right into this right fast, you know? And we're going to talk about my Zoom Medica Corporation stock. And right now, I'm going to be honest with you, I'm disappointed with it right now. And I'm contemplating if I should sell it or not, because it went down to 63 cents, then it went up to 293. Now it's at 158 right now, you know? And as soon as it go back up, I'm be deciding what stock I want to invest in. I might invest in some crypto. All right. Speaking of cryptocurrency, we're going to head on over to Ethereum and talk about that for a little bit, because Ethereum is going up to that $2,000 range right now. So I have to hurry up and play catch up. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm going to do is I'm try to add $100 a week in order to catch up to it, so I can get a whole coin of the cryptocurrency Ethereum. I think that's in my best bet. Now we're going to talk about Litecoin. Litecoin is interesting because it's one of the third most traded cryptocurrencies in the cryptocurrency trading market right now to date. And what I'm going to do is, as soon as I get caught up with Ethereum, as soon as I get a whole coin of Ethereum, I'm going to get caught up in Litecoin till I got at least 10 to 100 Litecoin currencies. Because if that go up to 1,000 and I got 100 of those, that's 100 grand right there. You know what I mean? That's going to be my baby. I'm going to take care of them, just, you know, because, you know, the stock market is kind of funny. It's going to fluctuate. It's going to go up and down, you know, and I'm going to keep putting money into it, keep feeding it and feeding it, you know what I'm saying, nurture it, you know, and see how it go. That's all, you know what I mean? Just have a little faith and a little bit of money and a little bit of time. Yeah, now I want to talk about Elevate Credit. Man, I was talking about Zoom Medica before, but Elevate Credit is like my worst stock that I have on any platform. When I first brought it, I didn't know what I was doing. I brought it and it was just going up. I was loving it, you know what I mean? But now it has officially crashed. It's down 33%, I believe. And man, it's not looking good for that stock right now. I'm gonna try to hold it as long as I can. I'm try to make my money back, because when I first brought it, I brought it at $4.46, I believe. Now it's down to $2.92, and man, I lost almost $2 off that stock, and I think I got like 17 shares. So times 2 by 17, that's $34. You know what I mean? That's $34 I done lost. I'm trying to at least make my money back. I seen at one point where it went up to like $11.97. But let it go back, let it have some potential and growth and go back up to like $11 and some change. You know what I mean? I say if it go up to $10, I make $6 off of each share. Times that by 17 times 6 is that's 40. No, that's $102 I would make. I'm gonna pull that out, and I probably put that into. I'd rather lose my money and let it fluctuate up and down on Litecoin. If I can get rid of that, because I got a couple stocks in Snapchat that I'm contemplating and getting rid of, so I can move my money back over to Webull and invest in Litecoin. But I'm still waiting for my Anchor USD to clear, so I could put some money in there and be earning interest daily, and somehow try to buy some stocks. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mirror whatever stocks I see doing good in my other platforms. I'm gonna mirror it and then buy it in Anchor USD. I'm gonna hold them stocks there, but then I'm gonna mirror it. I'm gonna practice on another platform, put a little bit of money into it, see how it's snowballing and rolling, and then I'm gonna the ones that's doing real good, that's the ones that I'm gonna invest in and keep in Anchor USD. That way I can be earning interest daily and be making money while I'm sleeping. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm disappointed in this stock right here that's in front of us. I'm very disappointed. So I'm thinking if I should man up and chalk my losses, or just hold on to it and let it go back up to where at least I break even, and then sell the stocks. You know what I mean? I'm gonna wait till it go up a little bit. You know what I mean? You buy low, sell high. That's the golden rule right there. So I have to follow it. You know, I done stabbed myself stabbed myself in the foot. But that was my first stock that I brought nonchalantly, thinking I knew what I was doing. I mean, I didn't do no research on it. I just brought it, and it started doing good. I was like, ooh, I made a good choice. But it is what it is. You know, we learn, and we learn from our mistakes, and we capitalize off of it, and we move forward. You know, I make a decision, then I live with the consequences. But today's lesson, what I learned was that, you know, as soon as you start losing, pull out immediately and go ahead and reinvest in something, or add the money to something that's already growing. And then when that's doing bad, you pull out of that, unless you have long-term stocks, you know what I mean? And after a while, my profile get up to like about $5,000 to $10,000, and then I'm gonna go start talking to a financial advisor and start seeing where I need to put my money at, because I'm thinking about putting my money into real estate investment trading, REIT. That's what I'm thinking about doing next. Because if my money clear, I have $500 coming out my checking account within like 2-3 days, going into real estate. But that's a long-term investment. I ain't gonna worry about that $500 till 5 years from now. You know, I did the research on it, but I found out it was too late that I probably won't make that much money, but it's better than making $0. I tell you that. It's better, you know, when you invest money, you know, with 0 times 0, 0. So, but you could put a 0 plus 1 equals 1. You know what I mean? So I'm just trying to put a plus by that 0. You know, you can't times a 0, still come out 0. But anyway, I took up enough of y'all time. Thanks y'all for tuning in.